Hello and welcome to Entry. My name is Akash Shukla. Guys, very good news for all those candidates preparing for IBPS PO 2021 mains examination because prelims examination is over and waiting for IBPS PO 2021 prelims examination result. Guys, you must know that they were on a strike by the employee of the PNB against the management कि PNB vacancies must be added in IBPS PO and clerk 2021 recruitment. So guys, in view of this, finally PNB has given its indent to IBPS regarding the number of vacancies for PO only. Right now for PO only. And guys, how many vacancies PNB gonna add in IBPS PO 2020 recruitment? Guys, let me tell you, 500 plus vacancies are there. PNB has given in form of its indent for PO level post to the IBPS. Yes guys. So right now we can say that right now 4100 plus vacancies are there. Right now 4100 plus vacancies are there. So total around 4600 vacancies will be there. So guys, I can say that before your PO prelims examination result, so vacancies will definitely be added by the PNB in IBPS only. So because PNB has already given its indent to IBPS, so definitely vacancies will be there for at least 4600 plus. 4600 plus. And guys, one more thing, these are the vacancies added by the PNB, and some more banks will also add vacancies. Guys, some more banks will also give their indent to IBPS. So before prelims result only we can expect this vacancies 5000 plus. Okay, 5000 plus. And before your mains examination result we can expect these vacancies 5600 plus. So guys, very soon we're gonna have some more banks indent to IBPS. Apart from that, what about the clerk? You will definitely ask what about the clerk. So guys, let me tell you so far only PO indent is given, so definitely PNB is going to give its indent for the clerical level post also to IBPS in the coming days. So as soon as I will get the update, I will definitely get back to you. And guys, from where what is the source of this news? Guys, in today morning a student shared me the RTI where it is clearly written as yes, we have given the indent to IBPS and the number of vacancies total around 500 plus. So guys, this is what update I wanted to give you. If you guys are preparing for any bank and insurance exam in 2021 or 2022, whether it's prelims or mains examination, you guys can prepare for free of cost. The link in description field and the pin comment as well. So go and download the Entry app and start your free of cost preparation by attempting free of cost high quality mock test, sectional test, topic question and free of cost video lesson. This is what update guys I wanted to give you. I think this news is quite sufficient in order to boost your morning guys. Thank you very much guys.